Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode we are going to solve the questions on some of the first n terms of an AP, and this is the 8th episode of the series on arithmetic progression. I have already uploaded the 7 parts, and the links of all these 7 parts will be provided in the description box. I request you to go through all these 7 parts, and now we will start with the 8th part of the series on arithmetic progression. The question is, find the sum of the first 22 terms of an AP in which D is equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. Here it is given that the D, that is the common difference, is 7, and the 22nd term, that is A22, that is equal to 149, and we have to find the sum of the first 22 terms of the AP, that we have to find S22. So friends, here we know that A22 is equal to 149. So this can be written as A plus 21D, which is equal to 149. And since we have the value of D at 7, put the value of D. So here A plus 21 multiplied by 7, which is equal to 149. So which is equal to A is equal to 149. The product of this will be 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So it will be 147. So which will be minus 147. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. 147 taken to the other side, the sign will change to minus 47. So 149 minus 147, that A will be equal to 2. So highlight the value of A, because this is the first important step that you have got, and the marks are allotted at this point. So you have to highlight these special parts of the question or your solution. Now we have to find S22. So Sn, we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket A plus L. So Sn, that is S22, which is equal to n will be 22 here. 22 terms are there. 22 by 2 upon A, here we have calculated, that is 2, plus the last term, that is A22 is the last term, so it will be 149. And so S22 is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 22, so it will be 11 multiplied by, this will be 149 plus 2, that will be 151. So which is equal to 11 into 151, that will be 1661. So S22 is equal to 1661. Highlight this your answer also. So friends, this way you can solve such types of questions, and highlighting the particular steps is very important to get the good marks, because you have to make your answer sheet examiner friendly, so that examiner will find it to check very easily and quickly. Now we will move to the next question. The question is that if 10th term of an AP is 47 and its first term is 2, find the sum of its first 15 terms. It is given that the 10th term is 47, that is A10 is given as 47, and it is also given that the first term is 2, so A is equal to 2, and we have to find the sum of the first 15 terms, that is S15 is equal to how much, that we have to find. So A10 is equal to 47, that is A plus 9D, which is equal to 47. We know the value of A as 2, so put the value of A as 2 here, so it will be 2 plus 9D, which is equal to 47. Now take 2 to the other side, so 9d, which is equal to, this will be 2 will be minus 2, so 47 minus 2, that will be 45. And so d will be equal to 9 ones are 9, 9 5s are 45. So d is equal to 5. So highlight this first value, that is d is equal to 5. Now we have to find S15, and therefore to find the value of S15, we use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 plus, sorry, not plus, here n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, close the bracket. So Sn is equal to n by 2. So we have to find the 15th term. So it will be S15, which is equal to 15 by 2 into bracket twice of a. A is what it is, 2. So 2 into 2 plus n minus 1, that n is what it is, 15. So 15 minus 1 into d, and d that we have calculated here as multiplied by 5. So close the bracket. So which is equal to 15 by 2 into bracket 2 2s are 4 plus 15 minus 1, that is 14, and 14 multiplied by 5, close the bracket. So that is equal to 15 by 2 into bracket 4 plus 14 5s are 70, and so this will be equal to 15 by 2 multiplied by 74. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and 2 7s are 14, and therefore 37 into 15, that is equal to 555. And so the S15, which is equal to 505. So the sum of the first 15 terms, that is equal to 555, and so here you have got the value of d as 5 and S15 as 555. Now the next question is on the screen. Find the sum of the first 15 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. Here we have to find the sum of the first 51 terms and of the AP whose second term is 14, that is A2 is equal to 14, and the third term is 18, that is A3 is equal to 18. So here A2 is equal to 14 can be written as A plus D, that is equal to A plus D, that is equal to 14, and this can be written as A plus 2D, that is equal to 18. But what is D here? D is what? It is the common difference, means second term minus first term. Here we do not know the first term, or the third term minus second term, that gives us the common difference, that is D, and therefore D is equal to 18 minus 14, that is equal to 4. So we know D, so put the value of D here and you will get the value of A, and therefore A plus 4, which is equal to 14, and therefore A is equal to 14 minus 4, that is equal to 10. So highlight this, you have got the value of A as 10 and the value of D as 4. And now what you have to find? You have to find the sum of the first 51 terms. So sum of the first 51 terms you have to find. So S51, that is equal to n by 2 into bracket A plus 2A plus n minus 1, close the bracket, into D, close the bracket. So S51, that is equal to 51 upon 2 into bracket 2 multiplied by A is 10, plus n minus 1, n is 51, minus 1 into D is what? It is 4. Close the bracket. So which is equal to 51 upon 2. So inside the bracket it is 10 2s are 20 plus this is 51 minus 1, that will be 50, and 54s are 200. And so friends, here you can solve this further as which is equal to 51 upon 2 multiplied by 220. So it is 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 22, 1 0, and so 51 into 110, that is equal to 5610. So here you get the value of S51. S51 means the sum of the first 51 terms, that is equal to 5610. So friends, this is the last important step. Highlight this. So here you have got A is equal to 10. The first step is correct. D is equal to 4. The second step is correct. And here S51, that is equal to 5610. Third step is correct. And so here for these 3 steps you will get marks. And therefore you have to highlight all these 3 steps. So friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends so that they too will get connected with us, and please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.